girls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be telling you about the different methods of study that I use and the ones that help me be productive. So let's start with the video. But before that, please click on the subscribe button so that you can view more of my videos. Before starting with my study techniques, I'd like to tell you that there are different types of learners. So the methods that I use may be helpful or not helpful for you. So there are visual learners, there are auditory learners, there are tactile or kinesthetic learners, and there are reading and writing learners. How do these learners differ from each other? So visual learners like to view things. They like to watch the videos or something that they can see what they are going to learn. Auditory learners like hearing things like podcasts or anything. Then the kinesthetic learners or tactile learners, they like to experience or do the things practically. Then the reading and writing learners, they will write down the things that will help them remember. So based on all these things, I have realized that I am a visual learner. So I like to view things what I am studying for myself. So now I'll tell you how I start with my studying and how I be productive. But before that, I'll tell you about the basic details that I like about me studying. I have kept only a specific place in my room that I study for and no other place. So I know when I sit in that place, I'm going to study and do nothing else other than studying. And I have made my table a beautiful place like that will help me motivate for studying. I have stuck different motivational quotes, I have stuck pictures, and I have put lightings and everything. So these tell me that yes, you have to study over here and nothing else. And one more thing that I do while studying is I keep a refreshing drink beside my table so that whenever I feel thirsty or I get bored, I get a sip of that drink and let's start with the studying again. So that is what I do to get into the mood of studying. Then next thing is before starting with my studies, I watch a study vlog. It is only about 5 to 10 minutes, which only helps me motivate but not lose my interest in studying and procrastinate my studies. And one more thing that I do is use the Pomodoro method. Not for the breaks, but to get me into the flow of studying. What it is it helps me measure the time that I'm studying for. This is what it does for me. Like it counts the time that I'm studying and helps me motivate. Like if today I've studied for 1 hour, then next time I'll study for at least 1 hour 5 minutes. So that I get myself into a better place for tomorrow, and which helps me feel motivated throughout the day and even for the next day. So that is about starting my studies. So watching a vlog and the Pomodoro technique to get into the flow of my studies. So that is about to getting into the mood. And how I start studying is first I see how much I have to complete. Suppose I have to complete 1 chapter for today. Then I'll plan it like so that there are topics divided into it. And then I'll study each topic. So that helps me feel motivated. And after completing every topic, I'll tick on the topic that I've completed. So I feel that I have accomplished something for the day. Then one more thing that I do is I take beautiful notes so that later on when I have to revise the topic, it won't be like, oh god, I have to watch something that is not written so properly and I have to understand everything all over again. So I like to color code my notes, and if it is about any practical subject, then I will put some images like so. So these are the images that I put. So if it is some other subject where I can't put a lot of pictures and I cannot see what I have to learn, then I'll color code it so that I can remember the things better. Like so. So this tells me like what the topic actually is about. So one more thing that I do to keep myself focused is I use some silent music in the background so that I don't get distracted by the noises around me. Like if someone comes into the room or someone is playing outside, that noise is not going to disturb me because I'll have my headphones in my ear. So what kind of sounds are these? These are white noises or something called as study music, which has a specific frequency of sound which helps your brain to get into more focused state. I'll link all these things below. The YouTubers that I watch for feeling motivated, then the sounds that I hear during my studies, the channel that I use, the applications that I use for studying and everything. Then one more thing that I do is I revise the topic at least twice in the whole semester. And one more thing that I do for studying is I have a study buddy. This is a person with whom I discuss the topics and we teach each other, or if we discuss the topic. If we have our exams, then we'll sit and discuss, we'll teach each other, we'll clear each other's doubts and everything. We'll solve papers together. And one more thing that you need to know about studying is that you should have a specific time set for your study. It can either be day or night because that is a specific time where you are most productive. So you need to find your time of the day that is going to help you be more productive. Because if you are a night learner, then you will study for the whole day but you will complete only one chapter. But if you study in the night, then you can complete that one chapter in only an hour. So that is all for today's video. Please click on the like button if you like the information and also subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.